have a mini unboxing and I am very excited to share this with you. But before that, let me show you a few things I received as a gift from our Dior Beauty lovers here, our YouTube friends. Let's start with this Labubu lanyard. And this is perfect because I just recently got my lake pass, and this would be perfect for that one. And my daughter actually wants it, but I'm keeping this. This is for me. Also received this beautiful keychain, and I am a lover of anything tiny like this one, and I am very sentimental when it comes to gift like this. It says sometimes you do not know that you're awesome, and so this is a reminder that you are. So that is perfect. And I'm gonna show you my Dior Beauty, mini Dior Beauty setup. I don't have a lot, so let me show you. So this is a gift that I received from one of you. Thank you so much. They want to keep their identity in private, but look at how beautiful is that. It's perfect for my mini setup right here. Are my latest pouches, and here, as you can see, pretty much those are pretty much all I have for Dior makeup. And this was the holiday pouch last year. This is the new one. There you go. And this is last year's jewelry case. So the logo is definitely an upgrade for the new pouch. But yes, that's my mini Dior Beauty collection right there. I have a few more that are capped because they don't fit this table, but how perfect is this frame, right? So beautiful and creative. Love it. And for our unboxing, I feel like it's been a while since I've done an unboxing, and this might look very big, but there were only 3 items here and only one is for me. And the reason I want to share this is because some of you might already been thinking of shopping for Christmas gift, and this might be the perfect time to do so. First, I got Converse, pair of Converse shoes. I'm gonna gift this to my aunt because the first time I bought her Converse shoes, they were too small. So hopefully I got the right size this time. And these are super affordable. They were like 24 Canadian dollars. And these are leather. There you go. So that's item number 1. Hopefully they fit. They look big, to be honest, but hopefully they fit. Next, another Chuck Taylor. Now this one, I'm not sure if I'll keep it or I'll give it to my mom because she also wants one. And this is in suede. Look at that. This is a gray suede. It's beautiful, very classic. There you go. I wear usually size 6.5 for US sizes, and 37 for European, Italian, French brand. But for Converse, because they tend to be narrow, I upsize half size, which is size 7. So I got this size 7. My mom and I has the same shoe size pretty much. And like I said, I love that these are suede, super classic. You could pair it with everything. So I got 2 pair of Converse shoes. And these, by the way, is $40 Canadian. So I think the price is awesome. And all of these items, if I haven't mentioned, I got them from SSENSE. And I believe they ship in the US as well. Not sure if there might be extra tax or tariff for US because I know that SSENSE is a Canadian store. And now, here's the item for me. If you are new here, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I typically help you maximize your Dior beauty shopping experience. But for today, we'll just have a little unboxing, sharing with you some awesome finds because some things really excite me. And I thought I would share with you, especially if you are doing early Christmas shopping. It might be a good time to look at Essence and see if there might be something there that you could find for any of your loved ones, family, or friends. And if you like this kind of video, please consider subscribing because I would love to have you here and we could exchange shopping tips perhaps. And if you are enjoying this video so far, please hit that like button. And if you see that hype icon, please hype this video so many more of our like-minded friends could find it and maybe benefit from this video. Alrighty, let's continue with our unboxing. This is a Jacquemus item. And as you could see, I'm getting ready for the cold weather. This is a alpaca blend scarf. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's perfect for my new coat. If you haven't seen it, let me show it to you. Oh my gosh, this is super soft. Hopefully the fiber won't give me allergies, but this is super soft and fluffy. Oh my gosh, I love it. For those of you who hasn't seen it, this is my brand new coat from Boss, and I got great cash back for buying this using the Capital One shopping app. So if you're not using Capital One shopping app, make sure you install it in your device or in your computer. Sign up, doesn't matter what credit card you're using. You could use the app and get cash back. So it's like earning money while shopping. Of course, you still have to shop responsibly, guys. But this one, I got over $100 of cash back. So it is an awesome deal with the discount that I'm already receiving for it being on sale, plus a promo code I use. This one, it was such a great deal. It is 100% lamb leather, lamb skin, and it's just super sleek. Look at that. And with this new scarf, we take outerwear seriously here in Edmonton. It gets freezing cold. In fact, it is already freezing cold outside, so something like this. And I'm not joking. When I go out to drop off and pick up my kids, I probably spend 15 minutes walking to and walking back and forth to school, to our car where it's parked. And if you are not wearing the proper outfit, you will be freezing. Like your face will be freezing, your eyelashes will be freezing. So it is important to wear the proper attire, and I think this will be perfect. It won't always be cute, but I try my best to still look great even when I'm bundled up. So I think these pieces will achieve that. So let me know what you think. I think this might still be available on the Boss website, Hugo Boss website. Some sizes might still be available. So if it is, I'll link it in the description below or in the comments. And if you're interested, this very fluffy, and the color, by the way, super nice. Look at that. I think it complements my skin really great too. So I love this, and super soft. Love it. And some of you might have seen it, some of you not, but I also got this from Essence, and it is a beret. Like I've said, it is cold outside, but we try best. I try my best to still look cute. I don't know if I'm achieving it with this one, but I love the color though. I think it's great. So there we have it. Those are my latest purchase. And I have one more thing. Alright, last but not the least, I have a mini Hermes gift set. I already opened it, but as you can see, it came with complete packaging. And I always love this seat belt right here for the products. I thought that's a awesome touch. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is probably the cheapest gift set that you will get on the Hermes website. I got this from Hermes Canada. Comes with the ribbon and the beautiful orange box, and they are the, don't laugh at me, but ta-da! These are a set of soap, so much cheaper in Canada than in the US. In Canada, it's 87 Canadian dollars. So that's comes down to about 65 US dollars, I think. So each soap is less than $30, and I love this. So I got all of them in Rhubarb, Eckhart Eckalat. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I love this scent. I love it. First, I tried the shampoo and my husband loved it as well. And so I was like, you know what? On special occasions, we need to indulge. We need to enjoy, you know, taking a bath. And this is just awesome. And it lasts long, by the way. So we've already used one. And it's not like something that just, of course, you still have to protect it and keep it away from like the direct water flow, but it does last long. So this is the soap. I have 3 of them, and we will be smelling great for a while. So love the smell after shower. It, you know, the fragrance like inside the bathroom, it's amazing. And you know me, I'm usually allergic to fragrance, but this one, I approve this. I love it. All right, so that concludes our unboxing for today. I hope you love that. Let me know in the comments below if you love videos like this. Not that I have a lot of money for unboxing, but if you do like it, then let me know in the comment, and I'll be happy to do more of these kind of videos. And don't forget to go to our community page and share with everyone your latest finds. It could be Dior Beauty, it could be a shopping tip. Holiday is coming, and everyone, sometimes even if you don't want to shop a lot, you can't avoid it because you have people in your life that you need to gift. So put there, share there your shopping tips, your latest finds. I'm sure someone will appreciate it. All right, thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.